In this video, we will see Lambda function in Python. So for this, Lambda function is same like other function where we pass value to Lambda function and Lambda function gives some value to us. So why we use Lambda function? So we use Lambda function when we want a nameless function for sort of period of time. So let's see how we can use Lambda function and how we can create a Lambda function. So for this, to create a Lambda function, use Lambda keyword, and then there is two part of Lambda function. First part is uh, parameters, parameters, and second part is expression, which it return, which it need to return, which we want to this function to return, which we want, which we want this function to return. So I am executing actually because I am not defining it as heading. So let's say this is heading. So this is the syntax of Lambda function. So so how we can create a Lambda function in Python? So create Lambda function. So how we can create? So my function x is equal to lambda lambda. Then parameters. I want to pass two parameters. Which one? A, two parameter A and B. Then colon, what it will return. So let's say it will return A. So my function will be like, I will pass a value A, I will pass two value A and B, then it will return a value A. So let's see that. So now see what is x. X, it is saying it is function. So function always callable. So x, it is asking for two values. So x, A and B. So 2 comma 5. So A is here 2 and B is 5. So this is, so it is returning 2. Now let's say one here I am changing the expression. It is returning A plus B. So what it will be? So now A plus B, it is returning 7. So let's create one more Lambda function. Lambda, it is expecting 3 A comma B comma C. Then we want it return multiplication of product of these three variable A into B into C. And so this is a function. So we can, so it is callable actually. So callable means it will support this, a parenthesis outside function name, a function, because it is function and it expect three variable. So we can do like this. So I am passing A2, B5 and C6. So it will return whatever you want. 2 into 5 into 6, 10 and 60. So this is the Lambda function in Python. So this is enough for this video. We will meet you in next one.